Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 1B, practice. And in this part, we'll take introduction. What is Tajweed? To recite the Quran nicely. How? By taking care of makharij and sifat of letters and the rules of recitation. Qawaid. In this course, lessons 1A, 2A, 3A will cover the rules of Tajweed, and lessons 1B, 2B, 3B will cover the practice of Tajweed rules for small surahs. Parts A therefore will have rules, and parts B practice. Even if you have not learned the rules, just try to repeat the way it is taught in this lesson. Inshallah, you will be implementing the rules without even realizing them. In parts B, we will give you a number of Tajweed tips, inshallah. Also remember, whenever you see Arabic text, the first line below it will give you the letters where people commit mistakes in makharij, and the second line gives those sifat and qawaid where people commit mistakes in general. Let's take Tajweed tip number 1. If the makharij of letters are new to you in a verse, then first listen to that verse tens of times. Why? To make your brain receive that sound clearly. This is how an Arab child learns. He first listens to the words hundreds of times, and then his brain helps him to say it properly. So therefore, for example, listen to A'udhu Billah tens of times before you say it. The second tip is you can improve your Tajweed to a great extent just by listening to an expert Qari and repeating it exactly the same way with the Qari couple of times and then after the Qari. It will fix a number of flaws in your recitation. Tajweed tip number 3. When you find difficulty in reciting a verse, break it into words and then take one word at a time. And if the word is also difficult, then take one syllable at a time. What is syllable? It's a unit having one vowel sound. For example, Alhamdu has 3 syllables. And practice that syllable where you have difficulty. For example, in Alhamdu, you have challenge in saying Ham. So ha, ham, 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 ham. Fix that and continue with the rest. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.